Nursing Foundation MCQs. First topic, Introduction to Nursing, 20 questions. 1. What is nursing primarily concerned with? A. Treating diseases only. B. Promoting health and caring for patients. C. Performing surgeries. D. Dispensing medicines. Right answer. B. Promoting health and caring for patients. 2. Who is known as the founder of modern nursing? A. Clara Barton. B. Florence Nightingale. C. Mary Seacole. D. Virginia Henderson. Right answer. B. Florence Nightingale. 3. The main goal of nursing is to A. Diagnose diseases. B. Prescribe medications. C. Assist individuals in achieving optimal health. D. Conduct laboratory tests. Right answer. C. Assist individuals in achieving optimal health. 4. Which quality is most important for a nurse? A. Compassion. B. Anger. C. Pride. D. Laziness. Right answer. A. Compassion. 5. Nursing is considered A. Hobby. B. Profession. C. Business. D. Trade. Right answer. B. Profession. 6. The Nightingale Pledge is related to A. Doctors. B. Pharmacists. C. Nurses. D. Dentists. Right answer. C. Nurses. 7. Which of the following is a role of a nurse? A. Caregiver. B. Educator. C. Advocate. D. All of the above. Right answer. D. All of the above. 8. Patient confidentiality means A. Sharing information with friends. B. Keeping patient information private. C. Posting patient details online. D. Discussing patients in public. Right answer. B. Keeping patient information private. 9. What is the first step of the nursing process? A. Planning. B. Evaluation. C. Assessment. D. Implementation. Right answer. C. Assessment. 10. The nursing process consists of how many steps? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Right answer. C. 5. 11. Which step follows assessment in the nursing process? A. Evaluation. B. Diagnosis. C. Implementation. D. Documentation. Right answer. B. Diagnosis. 12. A nurse should maintain professional behavior by A. Being respectful. B. Being careless. C. Ignoring patients. D. Arguing with patients. Right answer. A. Being respectful. 13. Health is defined by WHO as A. Absence of disease only. B. Physical fitness only. C. Complete physical, mental, and social well-being. D. Ability to work. Right answer. C. Complete physical, mental, and social well-being. 14. Which organization developed the definition of health? A. WHO. B. UNICEF. C. Red Cross. D. UNESCO. Right answer. A. WHO. 15. Nursing ethics guide nurses to A. Act professionally and morally. B. Break rules. C. Ignore patient rights. D. Avoid responsibility. Right answer. A. Act professionally and morally. 16. A patient advocate is a nurse who A. Protects patient rights. B. Sells medicines. C. Performs surgery. D. Writes prescriptions. Right answer. A. Protects patient rights. 17. Documentation in nursing is important because it A. Wastes time. B. Records patient care accurately. C. Is optional. D. Is only for doctors. Right answer. B. Records patient care accurately. 18. The symbol of nursing is commonly A. Lamp. B. Cross. C. Stethoscope. D. Book. Right answer. A. Lamp. 19. Effective communication helps nurses to A. Build trust with patients. B. Confuse patients. C. Delay treatment. D. Avoid responsibilities. Right answer. A. Build trust with patients. 20. Which principle is essential in nursing care? A. Negligence. B. Empathy. C. Discrimination. D. Carelessness. Right answer. B. Empathy. If you found these Nursing Foundation MCQs helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the Medical Simplified, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more nursing and medical education content. Also, let us know in the comments which topic you'd like us to cover in the next video. Thank you for your support. Smile Books Blue Heart.